Hello and welcome to part 1 of our tips for self-correcting errors for communicative success. I'm Professor Colleen Chapco, and I'm going to guide you through today's 6 mistakes that people commonly make. We're going to look at some vocabulary, grammar, and phrases and superliteral translation errors that people make. One of the first things that I want to comment on is the difference between funny and fun. They are very similar, but very different. So it's incorrect to say I had a funny time, because a time can't really be something that is funny, but you can have a fun time. I had a fun time. So you don't want to say I had a funny time. You want to say I had a fun time. And let's look at some of the reasons why I had a funny time is incorrect. Well, the definition of funny is someone or something that makes you laugh. So, for example, you can say that the comedian is funny, the movie is funny, the joke is funny, but you can't say I had a funny time, because time cannot be funny. So the comedian's funny, I can't stop laughing. And if we look at the definition of fun, something that is fun is anything that is enjoyable. So you can say, it was fun to go to Seoul. I had a fun time because that experience was enjoyable and pleasant. Therefore, it was fun. It's also incorrect to say, are you okay? Are you okay to meet at 7 p.m.? What you want to say is it okay to meet at 7 p.m.? Are you okay? It's not grammatically incorrect. It is correct to say, are you okay? But the meaning is very different than, is it okay? So let's have a look at the definition. The reason is because are you okay is used to ask about a person's feelings or health condition due to a bad situation. So for example, asking, are you okay to meet at 7 p.m.? It doesn't really make sense because there isn't the inference of a bad situation. So you need to say a bad situation plus, are you okay? So for example, I didn't see you at work yesterday. Are you okay? When you are asking, are you okay? You're checking in to make sure that that person is okay. So you're asking about how they feel or their health condition because you know they've had a bad situation. Is it okay is used to ask if someone agrees or approves of something. For example, is it okay? And then an action. Is it okay if we have dinner tomorrow night at 6 p.m.? So are you okay is asking if that person is okay due to their bad situation. Is it okay is asking for permission or asking for approval or asking for the person to agree or disagree.